stop, y'all. Cooper's Deli right there. We're on Orange Street and 13th Street. Right here, Cooper's. Let's roll up. Just in case you didn't know where you were at Cooper's. We rolling up on the scooter, y'all. Let's go check it out, y'all.
Lettuce, tomatoes, onions. That's it.
That's when they became the greatest show in church. Y'all got a pen over here? You get that for you?
Who are you? What do you do here?
Well, my name is Tracy Williams, and basically I'm a meat cutter. I love the fast-paced work. That's one thing. And you have to be consistent and please the customers.
Tell us about Cooper's.
Well, Cooper's is, well, if you don't know, it's a staple in the community. It's been here a very long time. Since before I started working here, I was coming here, you know.
How long Cooper's been here?
Like the same age as I am, 54.
Oh,
1968.
wow.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Tell us about the pastrami. I ordered pastrami.
Basically, it's steamed in a big steam table. And we steam it for like 20 to 25 minutes, or sometimes 30 for it to be extra done. It steams for like 20 to 25 minutes, sometimes 30 if they want it well done. Sometimes the corned beef takes a little longer because you got big pieces. As you can see, the pieces are kind of big.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah. So no special sauce in there. You don't want to tell us trade secrets. Okay. One more question. Which one's the best? Is it the pastrami or the
Corned beef?
corned beef? Which one's the
Neither.
best?
It's the brisket. Brisket's the top sell.
Next time we come, we're gonna get the brisket, man. We appreciate you. We're gonna go and eat this sandwich right now. Thank you for your time.
Enjoy.
It finally freed up in here a little bit.
Yeah.
You were busy.
I got him. Yeah, man. Like I said, I like the fast-paced work.
We just got back from Cooper's. Cooper's don't have any tables or chairs in, so it's definitely a fast food spot. You go fast sandwich spot. There's no dining inside, but we did bring our food out. I was gonna sit outside, but it's a little nippy outside, y'all. Got the sandwich here. All right. I was thinking, did they put a pickle? I don't remember, but I feel a pickle in there. Let's check out this Cooper's Deli, y'all. Let me let y'all see a little bit down here. Here we go. Check it out. Oh, we do have a pickle here. Let's check this sandwich out, guys. Y'all know I'm gonna just break it right now. Like that. I think I'm gonna eat the bigger piece. Kinda hungry. That's Cooper's, y'all. Cooper's Deli. I got the pastrami with some coleslaw on it. Looking good. On rye bread. Let me taste a little piece. Okay. Let's see what we got here. That's a lot of meat, y'all. See how it is. It's good. I like the coleslaw. And maybe it's the mustard I'm tasting too. I taste something that's a little horseradishy, which I like. It tastes good. But I don't know where it's coming from. I don't know if that's coming from the mustard. Though, they do not spare the meat. That's a lot of meat. That sandwich is pretty thick. I don't know if you can tell, but the sandwich is pretty thick. And it's a good pastrami sandwich. Is it the best pastrami sandwich I've had? I'm gonna say no. Is it a good pastrami sandwich and worth it? Yes. It definitely is. Cooper's Deli. Because I like my pastrami sandwich. It is, you know how you taste that meat and that fattiness and that, I'm tasting a little extra fattiness here. But let me keep eating though. You know, gotta be truthful. If it wasn't good, I would tell y'all, this is delicious. I know one thing. I like the coleslaw. It's something that tastes, I can taste a little, it tastes horseradishy. I like horseradish. That's Cooper's, y'all. I told y'all I would take y'all to Cooper's. I'm gonna give a shout out to the Barringer High School alumni, Barringer High School, because someone has suggested that went to Barringer, their alumni, that I go to Cooper's. Next, we're going to Tony's Hot Dogs. What do you say about that? Tony's Hot Dogs, they parked the truck right down at the bottom of the hill. This is Matt DV, eating his Cooper's. And I'll see you guys on the next one.